All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now down to the final hour. It is Tuesday at noon. I'm heading 2 hours north to pick up my powder coat parts. It's going to be crunch time. The good news is it's raining, which means that banker won't be baling hay tomorrow, which means he'll be at the shop to help me finish the truck. So, and by the grace of God, baby, we gonna make it. Why is it doing that? Is this one that's broken? More! Banker's got a f***ing saw us all going over here. I don't even know what the f*** they're doing over there. Jesus Christ, I'm just trying to do a f***ing update. Just put air in the bags. We're gonna put some wheels on, get the Bronco fully on the ground, off of jack stands. Got the steering done yesterday. Banker got the rear diff on today. You can see, here, check this out, it's super cool. So we got AFE power diff. Got the machined face of it, still machined, the rest of it powder coated, the same color as everything else. The brakes are looking good. I got the SSBC calipers on. Banker, do you want these ones in the rear too for alignment? Wheel rings on from Black Label. Getting my brake lines all kind of mounted up and stuff. So now we'll get this thing on the ground and get it a little bit more aligned, add fluids, and we're getting close, so should be good.
Custom Offsets people, what is up? It's been a while since I've been on the camera, the old YouTubes. Last time you guys saw me, I had bought CO2. So we do have some big plans for the truck. However, I am gonna take it slow. In the next coming weeks, we do have a couple shows that we're gonna be going to, so I do wanna kind of get it up to date and get it ready for those shows. First things first are gonna be the wheels and tires, new set of ARKON Da Vinci's, wrapped in some Venom Power Terra Hunter XTs, 2614s on 37s, so very similar setup to what's on here now, just they're gonna be clean, they're gonna be new, they're gonna be polished, they're gonna be nice. One other thing I've kind of had sitting here for a while, but I sent it off to paint to get it matched to the truck, was a HornBlasters spare tire delete. I don't know, I feel like I'm annoying and I want to annoy people, and I feel like a HornBlasters would be the coolest way to annoy people. So Banker and I today are going to go through a kit that's been sitting in my office for quite some time now. We finally got everything back from paint and powder coat, and we're going to get into this install and see how difficult it is. It shouldn't be too hard. We're supposed to give them an install video.
Here's an install video.
But you've already started. So as you can see, the kit comes with 4 different size horns. So what you do is you take the 4 different size horns and you're gonna mount them in order, boom, 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 down the bracket from biggest to smallest. That's gonna be step 1 in getting this thing put on the bracket. And then you put the whole bracket together and then the bracket goes in the truck, right?
Yeah.
Banker doesn't have a microphone. He was too lazy to put one on, so he can't talk to you. He said, yeah. There's kind of a lot of parts that come with this, but from what I've been told, it's not all that difficult to put it together. He's done one, he feels confident. So you get your air lines, more air lines, power wire. Is that like a neutral? Oh, this is just like a pack of accessories. That is not a wiring kit, Banker. Can you put a microphone on so this can be fun? All right, it is a wiring kit, but they just randomly throw a lanyard in there for you. They don't randomly throw a lanyard in there for you. There's a reason behind the lanyard. I like the Joker colors.
It's nice, you can store them in your plugs.
What?
Can you grab me a Phillips screwdriver?
Got you, fam. Anything else I can do for you, sir?
Not at the moment.
All right.
Can't do that yet, god damn it. I don't like their fittings, these are dumb. We're gonna put this nut on for me.
All right, new day, new me, new truck, new stuff. God, I'm getting good at this wrapping thing, but anyways, we did throw the new wheels and tires on. They look fire. Just keep the old center cap game strong, you know? They're not nearly as beat up as the ones that we ran through winter. So we got the new Da Vinci's on there, they look great. We pretty much left you guys hanging at the assembly of the train horn, and that's because we realized that every single truck is gonna need to be wired differently. Obviously, you need to wire the train horn up. How you're gonna route everything is gonna be different, you know, depending on the truck in which you have. We got it all pretty much like ready to go. installed. However, Sean decided when he had CO2 that it was a good idea to do an axle dump on a gasser. Not only did he do an axle dump, he cut the exhaust to where it didn't axle dump, it just like axled. He forgot the dump. So, problem was, we installed the train horn and the exhaust was here, train horn was here, exhaust decided to melt a bunch of stuff. That was sweet. Thanks, Banker, you kill it every time. So anyways, it's only rubber tubing is all it is. I went on HornBlasters website. Good news, HornBlasters has all the accessories, all the parts, everything that you could ever need. And now we're gonna finish the install of this train horn. Realistically, that's pretty much it for Music City. Easy kit to install. HornBlasters crushes it with the spare tire delete. I guess what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and get this thing finished up. We're gonna get it all installed. And then we're gonna drive around town and we're gonna see if it works with some people that may or may not be trying to have a peaceful lunch or something of that nature. I look forward to this thing being done. For now, honk honk. Well, we got the train horns installed. We got everything ready for the show. Now it's time to go see if the train horns work. See if we can find anybody out and about. I don't even know if it's illegal. Is it illegal? I don't know if it's illegal. Is it illegal to modify your horn to make your horn louder? I mean, it's not illegal to have a horn. Why is it illegal to have a loud horn? Train's got them. Why can't I have them? Hey-o! Good morning. Good morning. I got up. Oh, there's a whole crew of people right here. Ready? Good morning. All right, that was fun.
What the hell are you doing?
What?
What the hell are you doing?
Putting some lights on. Making this thing glow, baby.
I thought you already had lights on this thing.
Well, I have UV lights, but we're gonna switch them to white and then we're gonna put some wheel lights because I feel like it should glow. Everybody else glows, I wanna glow. I don't think I'm in the hole, Bailey. Why not?
So you're gonna have wheel lights, new rock lights?
Yeah, wheel lights, so the double wheel lights black label, and then I have the black label, like the UV rock lights, but I'm gonna switch out the UV rock lights with bright lights. So it's gonna be white everything. White on white on white on white on white on white. Honey tried to quit already. He was like, I don't wanna do this anymore. Hopefully these ones work at all. Let there be light. Let's go look at the purple. You can barely tell that there's even any rock lights in there.
So gross.
Can you quit hitting my tire? What did my tire do to you, Bailey? Ah. So now they're white, they look good. Everything makes sense, it pops. Maybe we'll leave the purple in the rear though. Not because I like them, but because I'm over this shit. Look at John, look at John. My man John is stressing over there.
Doing all right?
Is that from the K350?
Yeah. I thought Booby literally like got this from a junkyard or something.
No, that's from the K350.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool then. I didn't know that. All right, it is currently July 4th, also known as Independence Day, and here we are at the shop getting ready for Music City tomorrow morning. We got Patrick's brand new Denali over here. Banker's truck is still completely torn apart, and the Bronco almost done. We got the drive shaft singular in, so now I made a mess of transmission fluid, which I'm currently cleaning up, and then I'm putting the wheels on, and then I'm gonna see if this thing starts. All right, so Patrick just made a good point. He asked me when the last time I drove this thing was. It has, to the day, been like almost a year and a half since it's been on jack stands, torn apart. It's been over 2 years since I've driven this thing, so I'm gonna hopefully fire it up. It's on the ground at least, and it looks pretty cool, so there's that. Didn't Dustin bet you 10 grand that this thing wasn't gonna run?
Yeah, I need my money.
Yeah, right away. As soon as the battery charger was hooked up to it, it fired right up. Yep.
Bro, how? What do you do?
I just
You
go.
just like run and jump?
Kinda.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
In flippy floppies too.
You guys are in my shot. Literally, you're the worst human.
That's why I hate train horns. We are all heading down to Nashville. I'm stoked. Nashville's always a blast. I've never been to this show before. Gonna be the first time there, but it's gonna be a great one. You can't go wrong with two Broncos in the same booth, am I right? Got show on the flip side, hopefully. Knock on wood. Nothing happens.
Yeah.
All right, we were lucky enough to make it like 3 hours in before we ran into issues, which led to more issues. The tire blew out, and I was right behind the trailer when it happened. It sounded like a gunshot. We go to a truck stop to get a new tire put on, and Patrick didn't have anybody helping him with the trailer tipping. It ended up catching the cab, bending the cab, shattering his back glass, so we had to tape up his back glass. So I'm waiting for the rest of the team to get here so we can eat, because I'm dying, and then we still have 7 hours. Let's eat.
Yeah. What?
You stink.
I'm bad.
Dude, this thing driving like at night with the running lights on is gonna be sick.
Got a gypsy soul, I'm a rebel and rogue, and I'm always on the run. With a fire inside, I ain't ever gonna die, I'm a locked and loaded gun. When the match is striking the gasoline lights, it's only just begun. One thing I learned is you could watch it all burn, but the flame ain't ever done. Raise 'em up a little higher, your riders, outlaws and outsiders. Some call me a renegade, the enemy. Throw your hands up if you feel the same. Oh, living life at the edge. Just say what you wanna say.
fearless heart and a taste for the other side. I was a crazy ass kid, all the shit I did, I'm amazed that I'm still alive. They thought I'd change with a little bit of age, but you know I never will. Takes too much time to walk a straight line, I don't have time to kill. Raise your fists up higher, you fighters, outlaws and outsiders. Some call me a renegade, the enemy. Throw your hands up if you feel the same. Oh, living life at the edge. Just say what you wanna say, walk away. I'll stand tall when there's hell to pay. Ain't no power higher with the outlaws and outsiders. Outlaws and outsiders. Oh, yeah.
Say hi to YouTube. Wait till he gets up here, Dustin. Wait till he's walking up. So Gary is over here. He's got a fanboy who is here delivering pizzas to us because he DoorDashes.
If he drops our pizzas, I'll be pissed.
He doesn't know what's about to happen. What's going on, dude?
What's up, man?
Yeah, we were convinced that you were like just gonna take these and run.
You can bring him in.
All right, show's just about wrapped up. Colton got an award, and now we are all hiding in here because it's about to start hailing. So we're loading up underneath here, hoping that we don't get any vehicles damaged as we unload. So the show was lit. Hopefully we don't get hailed on. Next up is Team Stance dinner tonight. Every year in Eugene, we take Team Stance out for dinner. All hang out, BS, drink some beers, eat some good Mexican food together. So we're heading there next once the hail's gone. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up Music City Showdown. We are on our way home now. Patrick just got his new rear window in, so that's all taken care of. Hauling trucks back home, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you guys for stopping over at booth, checking it out, buying our limited edition merch if you did, and thank you for those of you that watched all the way through the end. Appreciate y'all. We'll see you in the next one. Later.